Welcome back to another episode. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to realign the sunroof on your BMW E34. Once you're in the car, you want to turn the key to the accessory position and open the sunroof just a little bit like that. Once that's done, from the top you will see two V-shaped clips. And what you need to do is separate those V-shaped clips and you will be able to pull the sunroof liner away from the sunroof itself. So let's go and do that and I'll give you a better view of what I'm talking about. So those V-shaped clips wrap around this pin which is found on either side of the sunroof panel. And then what you do is you push the sunroof panel out the way. Don't push it too far back, otherwise you're not going to be able to get it back out. Then you're going to put the key in the accessory position again. You're going to close the sunroof and you're going to lift the sunroof. And what you're looking for are those adjustment screws. There's one there, another one there, and there's a third one right at the back. There we go. 1, 2, 3. The same on the other side, and what you're going to do is you're going to loosen those. You're going to adjust, tighten, close sunroof, see how the fit is, adjust, and it's going to take you a few goes, but you will get it right in the end. And then you tighten it all up, close it, and to put the sunroof cover back, you just pull it and latch it into position again over those pins. And it'll be as good as new, back to normal. And once that's done, you should be left with the beautiful flush fitting sunroof, as good as the day it left the factory. Well, thanks very much for watching. We'll catch you next time.